What's going on, guys? Anders Larsson here, and welcome to this video review. And this time it will be about the web service called Webbit. Webbit is a very basic website creator, and this web service is perfect for people that want to avoid the technical challenges that involves with just getting a website out there, getting things done. If you just want to set up a website, and maybe it is for your business, or maybe it is a hobby that you want people to know about, then just hang out with me and I will show you what it is all about. The free plan is not super generous compared to other website creators, and generosity is super important if you want to create an audience. It has to do with the initial know, like, and trust. So the free package is limited to 5 pages, but 5 website pages is pretty decent for a hobby site. Anyway, let's sign up, and I will do it a little bit different this time because previously I clicked on this button and it took me to one path, but let me show you the templates because you can actually start from this path and choose a template and just get going. I always start with a blank, and here's one thing: you need to go down to this link in order to get started. Right, it doesn't. And if you end up facing a blank page, you need to refresh the browser. I don't know if this is a bug. Right, register. Like most website creators, you create your website using blocks or controls. Navigation blocks lets you set up a menu, like a header. They don't support a footer, and this is a footer, and they need to show the advertisement, and this is why they don't support a footer. However, you can edit your footer by clicking this component, and you can add a navigation link, but also add social media links. I found the perfect link for this website. You can either create a page on the website, and if you do, then you only have to type the name and it will automatically convert it to a formatted link. So for example, if you type hello world, it will look like this. If you want to create an external link, then you just paste it. But maybe I'm wrong. This doesn't look alright. Maybe it has some kind of redirect feature. Let's see, publish footer and then live preview. So I don't think this will work. No. So that is too bad. You can only use internal links. So let's try this, publish footer, and this will not work because we have not created the page yet. So let's go back and then manage pages, add new page. So just type the name that you see here in the footer. I see a problem, a typo. No, this doesn't feel right. I want to be perfect with this. Right, publish pages. So now we can choose home or the Church of Gandalf. So let's fix this. And now it should work. Live preview, and click here and it will take us to the Church of Gandalf. You can see that it changed here. So let's go here to the Church of Gandalf, and I would simply like to add a small button that can take the visitor to the real Church of Gandalf. So content blocks and maybe forms. Nope. Links. Okay, you can find a button in the text control or the text content block. I kind of understand the logic why they don't just provide a button control, because if you want a button, then it comes with all the extra, and it makes sense because if you want your website to look decent and you want to design it quick, it kind of encourages you to do the due diligence to type in the fields that you see in the content block templates. So let's choose this block and you add this block to the page. And remember I said it was very basic, so you don't type in the text here, but instead you go to the field in the sidebar, edit the title, edit the text. So you can't add a link inside the text, but you can do some modification with the text style as well as add CSS animations. So in the content block template, you can choose sub blocks like the button, and now you can add the external link. Right, so let's paste in the link and then publish website. And if we click here, because now we are on the main page, but if we click here, we will land in the page that will take us to the Church of Gandalf. So it's looking good. We already know about the blocks for text, and we can take a quick look at the other block pages. For example, links with image, title, text, and a link, or image and link. Lists, it looks like this. Forms is interesting if you want to use a Webbit as a business page, because then leads are going to be important. So let's say you want to add a form, and this is a contact form, and then publish website. You will then, if someone signed up, access the marketing section and see the email list. And now it's gray because you don't have any people that sign up to your list. But let's test this and see if it works. Don't tell anyone about Legolas' email address. He appreciates the privacy. Right, so let's send a message and refresh marketing. So it looks like that maybe this is not supported, or I need to confirm the email. Nope. Let's try this again. Well, what do you see? It doesn't work, and that is a little bit disappointing, but maybe it has to do with a delayed queue. So if we wait a little bit, then maybe it will add the leads. I want to check one thing. If we go to pricing, it really doesn't say anything about that. So it is a beta, so I have to remind you about that. So maybe this will be added, but also if the web service is new and there is not much people using it, then the web service owner may not know about the bug because nobody told him or her. And this is why it's also good making video reviews, because with this video review I will for sure add a couple of visitors, and it kind of illuminate the issues and motivates to fix them. Design is simply a global option for all your pages to change the style, the colors, the shape of the text, and so on all the pages. I know there are more to talk about, but for the sake of keeping this video comfortable watching time-wise, I decide to make this the end of the video. Now, here's one thing that I really don't understand, because so far I have been creating video reviews of a bunch of website creators, and they all target not really a specific niche that can generate money. Maybe they think that they get more customers that way, but it is actually hard to get customers unless you target a niche that have people that are willing to pay. I mean, you get loads of people that want the free option and they are not willing to spend any money because it's not the right niche. But take a look at this guy, Russell Brunson. He created a web creator called ClickFunnels, and because he know the online marketing niche or the make money online niche, he also know how to design the website creator so that people that have an online business already can sign up to ClickFunnels, and now suddenly they have a way to capture the leads, to build a list of subscribers that want to know more about the business. Because Russell Brunson know the mindset of his audience, of the people in the make money online niche, he also know all the components that matters on a landing page. By the way, do you know the importance of Aweber and GetResponse? These are email capturing web services that allows customers to create newsletters. If you knew a little bit about online marketing, then you know how important that is to connect these services to your web service, because people in this niche are gonna want that. They probably already have a email capturing web service and they just want to connect it to a landing page service. And this is why I encourage people to learn online marketing and learn the mindset of your customers, of a niche that can generate money. So for example, the system that I'm using, which is Legendary Marketer, you have tons of video training, and watching just a couple of videos will let you get ideas of what you need to add in your web service, or maybe for a future web service. So I do recommend that you click this link and sign up to the system. And if you have any questions, then why not connect with me? Because I know online marketing as well as programming, so I know how these two worlds connect with each other. I could create a service like Russell Brunson, but my main focus is getting an audience first, getting leads and getting customers so that I can fund a future web service, maybe similar to ClickFunnels. I mean, that is my plan. What is your plan? So this is what I want to say in this video, and if you like what I just shared with you, then why not hit the like button under this video and subscribe if you want to know more about online marketing and how web services can be more profitable for you as a web service owner, but also for you that want to create a landing page and connect it with your business. So I have more awesome web reviews coming, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please click the like button. I really do appreciate it. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.